This video will review the basic navigation of MobileManager. Select a controller to begin. The server will now establish a connection to the controller. You are now connected and can start using MobileManager. The dashboard is identical to the controller dashboard in Cycle Manager Plus. The dashboard shows numerous widgets for various functions. Each of the widgets shows summary information in real time. Here we see our controller has 3 active alarms. Let's click on the arrow to reveal more alarm details. Continue revealing widgets by selecting the arrows. To see a list of stations, first select the Stations widget and select the Go to Stations button. Here you can scroll through your list of stations. To navigate to the main dashboard, select the menu icon. To reorder the view of the widgets, click the Sort button in the upper right corner. Grab the 3 dots and slide the widget up or down. Finish by clicking on the Stop Sorting button. Note, this view will be saved per controller and changes the view for all users of that controller. Finally, to return to your device list, change user settings or log out, select the arrow icon at the bottom of the screen.